Hello guys, I'm back with a new recipe. This is pitan or century eggs. This is traditionally preserved egg in a curry mixture, including clay, ash, and salt among a variety of elements. Don't be fooled by the name though, because the curry process for century eggs usually takes months or even weeks, and not a century. Despite its shocking appearance, century eggs are enjoyed by millions of people for the intense flavor of the yolk and the chewy texture of the egg white. You may use a knife to cut and slice pitan, but the best way is to use a thread. This is dry scallop. It adds tons of flavor to any dish. It is optional. You may or may not add dry scallop to the congee. Dry scallop comes in different sizes and it is not cheap. I am using the medium size. The bigger the scallop, the more expensive it is. If you don't want to use pork, you may use chicken. To make congee, the ratio is 8 to 10 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Depends on your preference. If you want your congee thick, you may leave it like that. Or if you want your congee thinner, you may add more water. It usually takes like 1 hour to make congee. To cut down the time that it typically takes, turn down the heat to low and use a whisk to break down the rice. Add one small chunk of meat at a time. Don't dump it all at once. You don't want them to stick together, and cook them for 3 minutes. Add salt and water if needed. Finally, add the small piece of century egg. Gently mix to ensure that the small pieces don't break apart. And you're done. You may freeze the rest of the congee, and this is what I usually do. So next time that I want to eat congee, I take one bag out and reheat, and voila!